guys?
It's Jen,
Boy Jan.
and we're here in Brooklyn right now in Dyker Heights, and we're going to see the Christmas lights. It's about 3 blocks, right? And yeah,
3 blocks and like 3 avenues.
yes,
It's like up and down, so there's like a lot of houses.
covered in just Christmas lights. So
Very
we're
famous.
going to see them, take pictures and videos. So we're looking forward to this.
Alright, so we're done with the houses for today. But it was good. What did you think of the houses, babe?
They were amazing. I think it's so wonderful that they put all of this together for people to come watch, and there's a lot of people from other countries.
Yeah, no, I mean New York in general, you always have tourists, but
Yeah,
the houses
tour.
are really nice. Like decorations were had like, because they've been doing this for years and years. I can't remember the exact year, but I want to say it's been since like the 1980s, I believe. So they have years and years of practice of decorating for the holidays, and it's a very known neighborhood because people come specifically for that.
Yeah, and they have tour buses, and they facilitate a lot of ways for people to come out here and see these lights. It was a great time. The weather wasn't too bad. I mean, we got lucky. It's not like 30 degrees or anything like that.
Sure.
For December, we got pretty good weather, so we were able to walk and enjoy. I mean, we've been walking now for how long? Like an hour?
Like an hour and a half or so.
Yeah.
It's not even that cold.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys. So we'll see you guys up until the next one. Hope you guys have a great day, and stay tuned.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.